We're 2 days until the unofficial start of summer, and it's beginning to feel like it in our corner of New Jersey. It's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. Good to be with you. We take a look at the number of 90-degree days in Atlantic City last year, and you get a zero. No days were at or above the 90-degree mark, not only in Atlantic City, but most of the Jersey Shore. Now, climatology and history would tell you there's only a 10% chance of that happening. So it happened last year, and the last time before that it happened was 2015. Now, there are no 90-degree days at the shore in this 7-day forecast, but temperatures will get warmer as we go into the week. And here's why. High pressure system sits offshore today. We have dry air in place for us, and it's helping to keep that rain to our north and west. However, as the day goes on, that high pressure shifts south and east, essentially becomes a Bermuda high, and that means southwesterly winds. And eventually that dry air becomes humid as we go into Wednesday night and into Thursday. And then we're going to have to talk about the potential for severe weather during the afternoon. But it's a very nice morning out there. Temperatures 55 to 60 degrees everywhere. We go into the day, temperatures will be, well, all over the place. 60s at the coast, still a little bit warmer than where we were on our Tuesday, but mid-80s in Hamilton and Bridgeton at 82. So the further inland you go, the hotter you are. Temperatures will fall into the 60s as we go into the evening here. And then we start off our Thursday 60 to 66 degrees everywhere. I mean, feels like a summer morning to me as we kick off our Thursday. Now, we do have to talk again about that severe weather risk. It's going to be a line of thunderstorms that passes between 1 to 6 p.m. on Thursday. Definitely going to be lightning with this. And there is a good potential that there will at least be 1 or 2 areas of wind damage. I just don't know how widespread that's going to be just yet. We're still going to need a little more time to look at the data. But there is the possibility for damaging winds, mainly small hail. I don't see any large hail in this. And tornadoes are unlikely as this passes through here. We do have the risk for power outages as we go into Thursday. So make sure to charge your devices going into the day Thursday. Even if your battery's at 80 or 90% of your phone, keep it to 100 just in case you get into a power outage as those storms rumble on through. It's going to be humid on Thursday. That helps to drive that severe weather. Remember, we said high pressure well offshore near Bermuda, southerly winds, dew points in the 60s and even upper 60s in Hamilton and Vineland, and that's pretty muggy. You're feeling it at that point. Let's talk about our Memorial Day weekend. I dropped a video for you on Tuesday, talking more about it. You can find that on our website to go more in detail. We look at Friday, and it does look to have some early showers, but then it should be a dry day, and I think that's our pick of the weekend. We go into Friday night staying dry. Saturday, we do have a cold front or a little storm system moving through. Most of the activity stays inland, but I still can't rule out a thunderstorm or two at the shore itself. Winds come from the south and the southeast, and that means we cool down as we go into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday here. While Sunday does look to be a dry day, Monday does look to have showers and storms. I do think Monday's our worst day to be out and about of the weekend. So Friday's the best, Monday's the worst, where you're talking about boat and beach weather. Here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast, show you what's going on here. Temperatures in the 80s for highs Thursday and Friday everywhere inland. And then today on Wednesday, it's mainly going to be well inland. That's in the 80s. We go into our weekend here. Saturday, 70% of your day is dry at worst. It could even be 100% in a few spots. Sunday, I'm optimistically dry, but notice those temperatures dropping from Friday, where we're 73, and then hovering around 70 degrees for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday across the area. You can check out our summer outlook on the Across the Sky podcast. We just spoke with Jan Dutton from Prescient Weather all about it. We talk about New Jersey. We talk about the country as a whole. You can find it wherever you get your podcasts.